sign up and get 77% off. Click Dynamic Residential Proxy Pricing. Divide it into personal plan and corporate plan. This is the 5 GB plan, priced at $15 total, $5 per gigabyte. For every 30 days added to the validity period, the price only increases $0.3. This is the 40 GB plan. For each additional 30 days of validity, each GB only increases $0.24. This 150 GB plan is the most popular plan. For each additional 30 days of validity, each GB only increases $0.15. This plan is a coupon plan. You can get the coupon code in the comments below the video. Fill in the coupon you obtain here to get the discount. This plan has the most data and is also the cheapest per GB. For each additional 30 days of validity, traffic per GB only increases $0.08. This is the Enterprise plan. This is a pricing plan specifically designed for businesses. This plan is to purchase 2000 GB and receive an additional 200 GB as a gift. This is a plan of 30,000 GB. To increase the validity period by 30 days, only one additional GB is required, $0.07. This is the most popular plan in Enterprise. After purchasing, you can get a huge traffic of 5000 GB. This is customized on demand, the best solution customized for you.